Are you looking for a real visa sponsorship job in Australia? In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to use Seek, the official Australian job platform, to apply for a verified sponsorship job that is currently open. I will also break down how to confirm if a job is legit, how to prepare your CV, and how to apply the right way so you don't get rejected. Here is the job we are using today as an example. It is live on Seek and open right now. Here. This employer clearly states they are willing to consider candidates requiring visa sponsorship. That's the key phrase you must look for. Step 1. How to use Seek properly. The first thing you need to do is to open seek.com.au. This is the only verified job portal you should trust for sponsorship job in Australia. Now go to the search bar and type visa sponsorship. These are the list. You choose anyone you want there. We have 548 jobs in Australia with sponsorship. Another thing you can search for is 482 visa sponsorship, like this. Yeah, something like this. You click on it. Let's check this one, and we see requirement. This you can easily apply. Step 2. How to verify a real sponsorship job. When you open a job, scroll until you see keyword like visa sponsorship available, like this one. We can sponsor the right candidate or 482 visa. Let's go and check another one to see. Let's see this qualified education team leader. So scroll down. These are the list of locations they want full time. Scroll down. You see visa sponsorship option will be available to appropriate candidate. This is what you are looking for. So if you don't see this word, that job is not sponsorship. Step 3. Check if you qualify. You match yourself to the role. What do I mean by that? Check the requirement, primary responsibility. This is it. Make sure you read through everything and make sure you need at least 70 to 80% of the required skills. You need to make sure you meet 70 to 80%. Because Australia company will not sponsor someone who doesn't fit the job. If you are not fit for the job, they will not sponsor you. So what you are looking for: work experience, license, certification, physical requirement, English communication skill. Step 4. Prepare an Australian style CV. Your CV must be in Australian format. 1 to 2 pages. No photo. Job focus summary. Bullet point responsibilities. Step 5. Then you apply on Seek. Like this one, when you are ready, you click on apply. Upload your CV a short cover letter, copies of certificate and available date. Step 6. How to avoid scam. A real employer will never ask you to pay money for sponsorship.